the Panhandle of Texas, strange footprints have been appearing in the snow. They appear to be that of a giant cat-like creature. But the odd thing about these footprints is that this cat appears to walk on its hind legs. This may be the first and only cat species that walks on two legs. And I think now is the time that we have to ask ourselves, have we finally discovered the missing link between man and cat? Only time will tell.
I don't know how you explain something like this. This is not normal.
What? This makes no sense. I first saw the thing over there.
Have we discovered a new missing link? A link between giant cat and man.
I don't know how you explain something like this.
Oh, that's so radical.